In this video, we'll learn how to set up and use the MEE Audio SleepTones. To begin, remove the protective film and place the earpieces back in the case. Plug the case into a powered USB port. A full charge takes about 2 hours and is indicated by a solid light. Next, let's pair your SleepTones to your device. Place the earpieces in your ears to automatically enter pairing mode. Then, use the Bluetooth menu of your device to select the MEE Audio SleepTones and complete the pairing process. Now we'll go over the features and controls. Tap the touch panel on the right earpiece to increase the volume. Tap the touch panel on the left earpiece to decrease the volume. Tap the touch panel twice on either earpiece to play or pause your audio. This will also answer and hang up phone calls. To skip to the next track, hold the touch panel on the right earpiece for 2 seconds. To go to the previous track, hold the touch panel on the left earpiece for 2 seconds. Tap the touch panel on the right earpiece 4 times to activate your phone's voice assistant. Sleeping mode turns off the lights, playback controls, and voice prompts on the earbuds to reduce distractions while you sleep. Tap the touch panel on either earpiece 3 times to activate sleeping mode. While in sleeping mode, you can also activate the sleep timer feature by tapping the touch panel on either earpiece 4 times. The sleep timer will power off your SleepTones automatically after 1 hour. Sleeping mode and the sleep timer are disabled automatically when you power off your SleepTones. To power off your SleepTones, put the earpieces back in the case and close the lid. To check the battery level of your case anytime, make sure the charging cable is not plugged in. Then, remove and replace one or both earpieces to activate the battery indicator light. When the battery is solid, you've got more than 20% charge. When it starts flashing, you've got less than 20%. And if the light stays off completely, the case is out of battery. The SleepTones include ear sleeves in 2 different colors. Contrasting colors can be installed on the left and right earpieces for easier identification in the dark. To change sleeves, start by pulling the earpieces out of the old silicone sleeves. Insert the earpiece into the new sleeve nozzle first. Gently pull the sleeve over the rest of the earpiece and adjust it so it aligns around the charging pins and touch control panel. Most issues can be solved by resetting the SleepTones and reconnecting them to your device. To reset your SleepTones, place both earpieces in your ears, then tap the touch panel on either earpiece 6 times. If successful, you will hear a voice prompt. This will erase all previous Bluetooth pairings and reset all settings back to their defaults. You'll need to pair the SleepTones with your device before using them again. If you are using the same device, you may need to unpair or delete the SleepTones from your Bluetooth list before creating a new pairing. That's all you need to get started. Need help? Contact us by phone, email, or website chat. Links are in the video description. Thanks for watching.